Here we go. We have a question, letter tile possibilities. So you have given n tiles where each tile has one letter on it. We need to return the number of possible sequence of letters that you can make. Suppose we have given this, so we can make single A, single B, double A, AB, BA, AB, ABA, and BAA. Although we can make A, B, and also make AB, but we will only consider once. Then for this test case, that many number of characters, that many number of sequence we can make. So the answer is this, and for this the answer is this. Now let's try to build the approach. So let's take the same test case A, B. Then I'm gonna give index. Then what I will do, I will mark it, unmark it. So for marking I will use 1, for unmarking I will use 0. So first let's pick this, next let's pick this, then let's pick this. It means, this means the sequence starts from A or 0th character. This means sequence start from 1th character. This means sequence start from bth character or second index. Then we will pick 1 1 0, we will pick 1 0 1, then we will pick 1 1 0, then 1 1 0. For same applies for this 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Then we have two ways, 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1. Then I think I did a mistake, so it will be 0 this 1 1 1. So let's try to find the characters. So first I have considered this, next I have considered this, and yeah, then I will consider this. Then on this path I will consider this, then I will consider the next character A, B, A. For this path I am considering A, then A, then first I have considered this, now I am considering B. A I have already considered, now I am considering this. AB I have already considered, now I am considering this. On this stage first I have considered this, then BA. This character is already considered and this character is now selected. Then for BA, then BAA, then BAA. Now let's remove the duplicates. This is duplicate, then A is a duplicate, then this is also duplicate, then BA is also duplicate, AB is also duplicate. Then is there any other duplicate? Yes. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I think there's one more duplicate, which is AB BA. Then let's pause. So this is not correct, this is not correct, this is B, this is B. It means this character we have already selected, now we are selecting this character. What is this? This is B. So this is B. Now this is duplicate. Then let's count. I will add this into my set data structure. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 we can say 8 items in my set. I will use set to remove the duplicates, or to consider only unique pairs, and at the end just return set size. That's it. Now let's code this. So we're gonna use set. So I am taking a global set with data type string set new has set, then I have recursive function. So then I'm gonna use bits. So bits for visited, we have tiles, and for visited I'm gonna use bits, and that's it. We just need to return set size, and this is void solve string s and visited, how many visited character we have. Then we give a chance to every index as a starting point. So we have n number of characters. So we have s dot length. First check, is this string already visited? If is this character or is this index already visited? How we gonna check? Just do the left shift and do the and do the and with visited. If it gives me some value, if it gives me some value, it means that that index is already picked. So we will not pick it, we will just write continue, else we will pick it. So we will pick s and visited, then 1 left shift I times. But how we gonna track, how we gonna consider the substrings? So for that I will take next string, which is our temporary string, So we are considering temp plus we are considering ith character. So we are considering ith character, and that's it. When we will stop? Actually we don't need to stop, we just need to consider temp, new string temp, and let's find out if it gives me correct answer or not. First of all, initially it will also add empty character, so we will just subtract that, we don't need empty. Now let's find out if this works or not. As a temp, so temp string string string, I hope it will work. Now it is giving me MLE, memory limit exceeded. Why it is giving memory limit exceeded? Set, then that character is already visited. No, that character is not already visited, so we are considering that. Let me also write temp and visited. So now let's check for a b what it is passing. So it is passing 0, so it means visited is 0. Okay, we are doing and, we just need to do or. I hope it will work now. Yes, it is working. Let's comment out. And it will submit just fine. Then let's wait for it to submit. Then we will talk about time and space complexity. Yes, it is submitted. So what is time and space complexity for this code? So time complexity, as we are giving chance for each and every index, so we have n possible index, and actually it is not n. So on the first level we are giving chance for n possible index, then we are giving chance for n minus 1, then n minus 2, so it will be n factorial. But we are doing one more thing, which is string concatenation, so it will take n, so it will be n cross order of n. And what about space complexity? So space complexity, we have a set, so on the worst case it will be n factorial. So that's about the time and space complexity. But there's a chance of improvement. We can improve this. How we gonna improve this? We have another approach, that's a bit optimized approach. So this is the approach 2. So in this approach, let's take the same string, and in this approach we're gonna use frequency array. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 is for A, 1 is for B, so we have 2, we have 1. Then what we gonna do? So we are iterating, and we will check, is this frequency greater than 0? It means we can pick this. So we will pick it. So the frequency will become, so I am just considering for A and B. Let me write the recursive function. So I will consider A and B, it is 1 and 1. For the next iteration, I have considered this. Now I will consider this and give starting position as B. So 0 and 2. And here I have given A possibility, and here I have given B as a starting possibility. Then we again start, this is again greater than 0, so we will give again A possibility, and on the next iteration we will give B as the possibility, so 1 and 0. Then on this stage we have A, we have A, B. Then we have only B, so A, B, it is 0, 0, A, B, that's it. Then for this we have A, B, 0, 0, and its character is A, B, A. Then for this, let's complete for this also. So we will pick A, it is 1, then the string is B, A, then it will again 0, 0, and it will be B, A. Then it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, this is our answer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are giving starting position as A, we are giving starting position as B, and if there is C, we are giving starting position as C. So we are placing each and every character on that particular index. Now let's code this. Code is gonna be very simple as compared to the previous approach. So we have frequency, then we have 26. So we will iterate C tiles dot to char array, frequency C minus uppercase A, we are just incrementing our frequency. Then we can directly return. So what are the things that we required? Only frequency. Yes, that's it, only frequency. Then we have frequency array, we are giving a chance for each and every character. If and only if frequency is greater than 0. If frequency is 0, just continue. Then this frequency is possible. Now we can start from A, we can start from B. So if we start from A, then the depth, we want to know the depth. If we have placed A as our starting position, then we want to know how deep can we go with all the different possibilities. So we are just calling frequency, but before calling the frequency, as we have used this frequency, so we just need to decrement its corresponding frequency. Then just do the backtracking and increment it, then just return our answer. Let's submit it, and I hope it will work. Let's wait for it to compile. Let's run it again. Let me connect to the internet. I think that. So let's run this. Yes, let's submit it, and I hope it will work. Yes, accepted. Now let's talk about time and space complexity. So what about the time complexity for this code? So time complexity. So as we have a frequency array, its size is 26, and we are considering each frequency as our starting point, is each new character as our starting point. So how many different possibilities we have? So it will be n factorial will be our time complexity, because we are considering each and every character. Then what about space complexity? Space is order of n. Why? Because it will the recursion will take order of n space the items. This is the depth, so recursion will take order of n space, and that's it. And I hope you have learned something new. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Thank you all for watching.